Hello everyone. So it's 3 a.m. here and I'm still working because I see there's so many emails and messages from you. So please be patient and understanding. I will get back to each one of you and reply to your messages and emails. But I'm working on it right now, and our goal is to help every one of you, whether you're a big farmer or a small farmer, it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go right to it. The website, our website, passportturtles.com. All right, and then what we have is a list of projects from farmers. And by the way, you don't have to pay anything. Farmers can submit their farms and projects for free. So our intention and objective is to help you. And then investors will pay to vote and choose which funding they want to invest in. So the highest vetted CSA projects get funded first. So it's a popularity contest. So click here and submit your proposal. Click this button. Okay. So now what I have here is a list of sample list of projects in countries in Africa. So for example, this solar irrigated cashew in Tanzania, Region AG cluster from Zambia, vanilla honey polyculture in Uganda, macadamia biocar hub in Kenya, and aquaponics Nile tilapia in Nigeria. Okay, so these are just sample projects, but I'm gonna put in real ones so that investors can see. And those who get the most votes will get funded first. All right. Now, maybe some of you will be asking, what if I'm just a small investor, or sorry, small farmer? Don't worry about it. This is where my ingenuity and creativity will come in. I'll come up with something so that you guys also will get noticed. Okay? Like I said, nobody is left behind. I'll try to help as many farmers as I can because I know a lot of farmers needs help in Africa, and I see you have a lot of potential. So all you have to do is just watch my videos and be updated with the recent development, and go to the site too and see what's happening on recent projects. Okay? More updates coming soon on my coming videos.